How many of you have ever gone snorkeling or seen a coral reef up close? Imagine swimming through a coral reef and seeing colorful fish until you see one stunning fish with white and red stripes and long venomous spines. The lionfish is one of the ocean's most harmful invaders. Good morning, Dr. Council and fellow classmates. My name is Luna Diaz, and today I'm going to tell you about the rise of lionfish as an invasive species. Today you will learn how lionfish got here, what damage they've done, and what people are doing to fix the problem. According to NOAA Fisheries, lionfish are native to the Indo-Pacific region, but they were first spotted off the coast of Florida in the 1980s. This is most likely because aquarium owners released them into the ocean when they no longer wanted them. Lionfish reproduce extremely quick and can release eggs up to every 3 to 4 days. NOAA Fisheries explains that a single female can release up to 2 million eggs every year, and those eggs can drift in the ocean currents. In just a few decades, their population exploded across the Atlantic, Gulf of Mexico, and Caribbean. A 2023 scientific report study by Rodrigo Maggiani and his research team found that the lionfish are now invading even further south, reaching the coast of Brazil through what is called a stepping stone invasive process, where each population helps the next one move further along. What started with just a few released pets has now become one of the fastest marine invasions ever recorded. Now that we have an understanding of how lionfish are invasive species, we will now look into their impacts. Lionfish are ruthless hunters. They eat small fish and shrimp, which are keystone species to coral reefs. According to NOAA Fisheries, lionfish have reduced the number of native reef fish by as much as 90% in some areas. Without these keystone fish, algae starts to overgrow, weakening coral reefs, and the entire ecosystem begins to collapse. Basically, lionfish are throwing off the ocean's balance. In a study published by the Bulletin of Marine Science, researcher Benjamin Ruttenberg and his team tracked how fast lionfish spread through the Florida Keys. They found that once lionfish showed up, native species declined sharply, proving just how destructive these predators can be. This invasion doesn't just hurt marine life, it also hurts people. Fewer fish means less income for local fishermen, and damaged reefs means fewer tourists and divers, hurting coastal ecosystems. However, people have gotten creative with how to tackle this problem. One of the main ways people are fighting the invasion is by hunting lionfish. A 2025 fisheries research study by Jillian Huang and colleagues found that promoting spearfishing for lionfish can actually help the environment and local economies by turning removal into a profitable activity. Communities all over Florida and the Caribbean now hold lionfish derbies, which are tournaments where divers compete to catch as many lionfish as possible. It is a fun and effective way to reduce their numbers. NOAA Fisheries has even encouraged restaurants to serve lionfish as a sustainable seafood choice. Scientists such as Maggiani's team continue to study lionfish genetics to understand how they spread and where they might go next, as well as improve regional control. Educational campaigns also remind people not to release exotic pets into the wild, having already seen the consequences. So, while we may never fully get rid of lionfish, we are learning to manage them and protect our reefs in the process. Today, we explored how lionfish invaded the Atlantic, the serious damage they've caused to coral reefs and local economies, and the creative ways people are working to control them. The lionfish invasion started with one small mistake and has turned into a crisis. However, we are the key to solving it. It is a powerful reminder of how our choices affect the world around us. Thank you for your attention and have a wonderful day.